Okay, now we're going to do our front wall assembly. So we've got our two 34A sheets and we've got our two 89A jambs. So what we need to do first is attach our jambs onto the sheet, just lining up the pre-punched holes. Just making sure the side of the jamb with the pre-punched holes overlaps that rib of the sheet. Okay, once we've got those jambs attached to our sheets, we need to put our top and bottom channels on. So I've got 58A, which is at the top. Small edge always goes to the outside. So we just snap that channel on, again making sure the back edge of the channel slides into that notch piece on the jamb, like so. Again, sliding that back channel through the notch, and then gently tapping the rest on. Slide the back of that channel through the notch. Alright, once we've got those channels in place, now we need to put in our top header jamb and our bottom inverter channel. So again, you've got your little notch out in your jamb there that slides through the 89A, like so, and then tucks underneath the channel. Now you've got pre-drilled holes all the way through the channel and jamb, so just line them up. And then pick up the rest in the middle. Once you've got those locked into place, then we need to pick up our channel, jamb and sheet through the pre-drilled holes. One on top, then one through underneath. Okay, now it's time to do our bottom inverter channel. Again, small edge goes to the outside, and that just nests inside that bottom channel. Line up your outer hole. Pick up your channel, jamb and sheet, up top and then underneath. Okay, that's our front wall completed. What we need to do now is attach our doors to the front wall. Okay, I've placed the doors on the front wall, obviously making sure you flip the door over and then lining up the 3 holes in the hinge with the 3 holes in your 89A jamb. So just to attach it, just really re-drill out that center hole, like so. Attach one rivet, then the others. Now we need to do the same with the rest of them. Okay, that's our front wall completed. Now we're ready for final construction.